Hi everyone, I'm going to just do a quick recap with you today on the averages, the 4 averages that we need to know for our statistics topic, and they are the mean, the mode, the median, and the range of a set of numbers. Now, the easiest way for me to explain what each of them means is to actually go and do an example. So I have a list of numbers here, 3, 9, 3, 7, 6, 5, 2, and I'm going to help you work out each of the averages for this set of numbers. So the first one on our list is the mean. Now the mean basically stands for the average. So that's a term that you've probably heard more frequently in the past. To find the average, what we need to do is we need to add up each of the numbers in that list. So I'm going to do that now. So 3 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2, and you're going to divide by the amount of numbers in that list. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add those all together and divide by 7. So that's going to give me 35 divided by 7, and that gives me 5. The next thing that we're going to work out is the mode. Now, mode stands for the most common, and an easy way to remember that is that MO in mode matches most as well. So, most common number in the list. Sometimes be aware that you won't actually have a most common number. Sometimes you'll have two that come up the same. In this particular example, you can see that the number 3 is the only number that comes up twice, so therefore the mode is 3. Sometimes you'll also hear that referred to as the modal number. Okay, it just basically means the same thing. Okay, moving on then, we have to have a quick look at how to find the median. The median stands for the middle number. One really common mistake in this question is forgetting to put the numbers in order. In order for it to be the middle number, it needs to start from the smallest and go up to the largest. That's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to put these numbers in order. So it's going to be 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. That's step 1. Step 2 is we're going to cut off everything from the outside until we get to our middle number, so therefore the median is equals to 5. And our final average that we're going to calculate is the range. The range is basically just looking at the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So to find the range, we're going to take away the largest number, which is 9, and we're going to subtract the number 2 from that, so therefore the range of scores in this particular set is 7. We're going to have a look at another example here of finding the mean, median, mode, and range. If you feel confident, please pause the video and have a go at it yourself. The only thing that might be tricky on this one is the fact that the median is not going to be obvious straight away. So just have a go at it, pause the video, and then you can check in with me to see how it works out. So the first thing we need to work out then is the mean. Just like the last question, all we need to do is add together everything in my list. And we're going to divide by the amount of numbers in the list. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to give me 30. 30 divided by 6 gives me 5. So the average of those numbers, the mean of those numbers is 5. The next one then is the median. Now, as I said, this one is a little bit trickier than our last one, so let's have a look. So the first thing we need to do is put them in order from smallest to largest. So I'm going to write down 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9. And step 2 is I'm supposed to cut in from the outside to see what we're left with. However, we're left with 2 numbers in the middle. So basically what we need to do is find the mean of those 2 numbers. So we're going to do 4 plus 5 divided by 2. That's going to give me 9 divided by 2. So therefore our answer is 4.5. And again, that makes sense. It's in between the 4 and the 5. The next one is the mode. That's the most common number. As you can see from that list, there's actually no numbers that come up more than once, so you're just going to say none, or you could say NA, something like that. Basically, there is no there is no mode in this particular question. And finally, the range is the largest number with the smallest number subtracted. So the largest number is 9 minus the smallest number in our list, which is 1, and therefore the range is equals to 8.